Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to go over the POI effect, short for point of interest, in case you're wondering. All right, so let's get started. So what you want to do is make sure, go into your settings and safety, right? And make sure your return altitude and maximum distance is set just in case you want to fly up, down, and just for safety, I always make sure that before I fly that's set. All right, so then you just go into the position that you want. Most likely you could use this feature in an object. Tap on the screen, select the object that you want to use as your point of interest, right? And as you can see, the drone's simply going to fly in a particular direction, left or right. And you decide which way it's going to go, and you select point of eye, and then in a few seconds you'll press go. Okay, and so when you press go, as you can see, the drone's flying slowly in one particular direction. See that? Really nice, right? And you can actually control how fast and how slow the drone's going to go, but it's going to go around in a circle. See if I speed it up a bit. It takes a little bit to catch up, but if you wait a little bit, wait for it, look at that, it just catches up, and then voila. Remember, this could be used for your B-roll footage. So, you just add that little something. Let's slow it down a little bit, right? Because, we don't want it to be too fast, right? Now, you could actually have it go one particular direction. Let's see, let's just move it back a little bit. Remember, there's always going to be a slight delay, and you can go the opposite direction. So let's say I want to go back. Right, so let's say if this is a house, you could actually choose your point of interest and let it fly slowly in one direction without the shakiness of the joystick. So as you can see, it's going faster, and even if you recorded it faster, you could always slow it down. Now let's slow it down right now. And the beauty of this is that you can also control the drone, right? So I can come in a little bit, I can go left, and as you can see, go a little bit right. And then just zoom in a little bit. Zooming in isn't so bad. So as you can see, if I get too close, it just tells you horizontal distance too short. So I got to back up a little bit. And now the subject's too far. Remember, it's me. If it was a tower or something, it would be easier. But as you can see, I shrink out and I can zoom back out. See, look at that. Really nice effect you have there. And I remember you can control the drone, and the drone's going to stay fixed on that object, which is great. Okay. So let's speed it up a little bit, right? As you can see, the touch, there's a little bit of a delay, but it still works, right? So let's just go that way a little bit. Now, the only downside is the gimbal. So as you can see, I can go down, which is great. But as you go up, there's a cap. See where the 23 is? That's it. I can't go any higher than that with the gimbal. Maybe if you bring the drone higher in flight, it'll create a different experience with the gimbal. As for why there is a cap on the experience with the gimbal, I don't know. It would be nice if they fix this, because as you can see, maybe you want a different angle, or maybe not. It all depends on what you're shooting. And as you can see, it's a really nice effect that you can use. I hope this video helped you, and feel free to leave your comments and suggestions down below, and I'll see you all next time.